Good evening to one and all. My name is Pavitra. I am going to present about the topic called machine structure of IBM 360. Machine structure of IBM 360. Here memory, it is a device where information can be stored and retrieved. Information is stored as zeros and ones. Bit, each 1 or 0 is a separate binary digit called a bit. Byte, the basic unit of memory is a byte. It consists of 1 bit of 8 bits. Nibble, it is a unit of memory consisting of 4 bits. Half word, it consists of 2 bytes of 16 bits. Word consisting of 4 bytes of 32 bits. Double word consists of 8 bytes of 64 bits. Size of IBM 360 memory is up to 2 per 24 bytes. Addressing scheme used in IBM 360 is address is equal to offset plus contents of base registers plus contents of index registers. The IBM 360 machine has 16 general purpose registers consisting of 32 bits each, 4 floating point registers consisting of 64 bits each, and 1 program status board of 64 bits. General purpose registers. IBM 360 has 16 general purpose registers denoted by R0 through R15. The length of each register is 32 bits. It is used for various arithmetic and logical operations and as base registers. Advantages of base registers: it helps in the process of relocation of a program. Efficient addressing of core, says 8 bits per address of reference. Disadvantages of base registers: number 1, overhead associated with formation of address during execution. Finally, difficult to reach the data. The next is data. It is stored in memory as group of bits. This group of bits can be characters, numbers, or special characters. The different data formats present in IBM 360 are short form fixed point numbers, long form fixed point numbers, packed decimal numbers, and packed decimal numbers. Short form floating point numbers, long form floating point numbers. Logical data is also called as character data. Short form fixed point numbers. In short form fixed point, 16 bits of 2 bytes is allocated to represent an integer number. Out of this, the first 1 bit is used the sign 0 for plus and 1 for negative minus. The machine interprets the contents of these 2 bytes as an integer. The second is long form fixed point numbers. In the long form fixed point, 32 bits of 2 bytes are allocated. Out of this, first 1 bit is reserved for sign plus or negative, that is minus. The machine interprets the contents of this 4 bytes as an integer. It interprets the first bit as sign and the remaining 31 bits as a binary number. Packed decimal numbers. Decimal digits packed 2 to a byte appear in fields of variable length from 1 to 16 bytes and are accompanied by a sign in the rightmost 4 bits. Instead of representing the binary numbers are represented in binary coded decimal format. The next is unpacked decimal numbers. The size of unpacked decimal number varies from 1 to 16 bytes, out of which the last 1 byte, that is 4 plus 4 bits, is reserved for sign and data. Instead of representing the binary numbers are represented in a binary coded decimal. Short form floating point numbers. In short form floating point, 32 bits of 4 bytes are allocated. Out of this, 1 bit is reserved for sign plus 4 or negative, that is minus. The floating point number is divided into exponential and fractional part. This representation gives a precision of 7 decimal places. Long form floating point numbers. In long form floating point, 64 bits of 8 bytes are allocated for the floating point number, which contains the exponential and fractional part. The long length of the fractional part gives up to 17 decimal places of precision, thus eliminating most requirements for double precision arithmetic. Finally, logical data, that is character data. Here characters are stored as 8 bit, that is in ASCII code. Each character occupies 1 byte of 8 bits. The length of character data varies from 1 to 256 bytes. Finally, instruction. A program is a set of instructions. An instruction is a single operation of a process or defined instruction set. The following are the some instructions discussed. That is, the first one is RR instruction. It denotes register to register operation, that is both the operands or registers. The length of it is 2 bytes of 16 bits, out of which 1 bit byte is used for opcode, next 4 bits for R1 and next 4 bits for R2. And the second one is RX instruction. It denotes a register and index storage operation, that is one operand is a register and another one storage operand. The length of RX type of register is 4 bytes of 32 bits. And the next is RS instruction. It denotes register and storage operation. The length of RS instruction is 4 bytes of 32 bits. Finally, SI instruction. It denotes a storage and immediate operand operation. The length of SI instruction is 4 bytes of 32 bits. And SS instruction, it denotes a storage to storage operation. The length of SS instruction is 8 bytes or 48 bits. Thanking you.